Alright, so what we have here is a Lakewood model C-122X 12-inch box fan with the original box. I just ordered this on eBay last weekend, and it actually arrived here a lot sooner than I thought it would. It was supposed to take like another like 5 days, but it actually came here a couple days early. So, yeah, finally have one of these, and I've always wanted one. Take a look at the box first. Classic box design. Model number C-122X, Lakewood, 12-inch 2-speed portable fan. And it has the nice little swirly designs there. Fragile, this side up. Model number. You can see it is from eBay. Side. And the back on the other. The back and the other side are the same. And here's the packaging. It was packed very well. So, here's look at the fan itself. It has the older style handle, which most of these have, even the later 70s ones. And here's my P25 that I videoed in the last video. This one has the newer handle, as you can see. Some of these have that. And there's the box for it. It's got the brown sticker, Lakewood 2-speed. The blade does seem to be a little bit yellowed out, which is unfortunate, but for as old as it is, it's in amazing shape. There's no rust on it anywhere. There's the tag. What's kind of funny is that I flipped this grill upside down because the way it was before, if you look at it from here, it doesn't really look yellow, does it? But if you look at it from this side, it looks kind of yellowed. So that's kind of strange. And the back grill isn't even yellowed at all. It's got the Fasco motor. And, of course, 0 broken slats. So anyways, enough yap. Let's go ahead and switch this thing on, starting with high. And for a 12-inch fan, it moves a great deal of air. Or a 12-inch box fan, I should say. And videos of these things make them seem a lot louder than they are on high speed, because this thing is very quiet. Yeah, I love this thing. It does vibrate the ground, or the floor of course, but pretty smooth running fan. Go to low. And these fans always have awesome low speeds that are pretty much silent, including that thing. It was a nice gentle breeze on low. And if you listen closely, it does sound like it has a little bit of dry bearing noise, even though it has a great spin down. I'll probably oil it a little bit. Yeah, this thing is silent. Back to high. And off. Yeah, awesome little fan. So glad to have one of these. The motor does have a little bit of startup sounds. Can ever so slightly hear it. So yeah, that's my new, to me, Lakewood model C-122X with the box. So yeah, thank you very much for watching.